great debate about this brave new digital world we're in, promise or peril. And so what I'd like to do is offer you a bit of a reprise of that discussion. On the affirmative, Peter Diamandis and Salim Ismail, great digital utopians, and on the negative, Diane Francis, and surprisingly enough, a rather muted point of view from Rob Nail, who is the president of Singularity University. Please roll the video.
We are living during the most extraordinary time ever in human history.
There must be a moral, ethical, and security framework around transformative technologies. We are not aware of what evil countries are doing.
Why now? It's the impact of these exponential technologies. These technologies are the force that uplift humanity, take us from scarcity to abundance over and over again.
In the case of biotech, genetic engineering, and artificial intelligence, there are no moral, ethical frameworks around these technologies.
We're finally alive in a time where it's not the king or the queen or the government that has to solve that problem that has been bothering you, that you're pissed at. It's we can do that. We now have access as individuals to all the computational power, all the knowledge, more capital than ever before in human history, access to AI, 3D printing on the cloud.
We are talking about humans who are badly disorganized, who are organized on the basis of power, violence, exploitation. We've got to be realistic about that. The overarching problem is that we see the brilliance of these technologies. We don't know what's being cooked up in labs. We don't know what kind of genetic engineering is going on. We should know.
At the end of the day, what do you want to do? Because you can do it.
We will all potentially die from something that's run away by a rogue group if we don't get our arms around this.
In the 15th century, we had the Gutenberg moment, and the printing press changed everything. I argue today we have 20 such Gutenberg moments hitting us at the same time. Just autonomous cars changes everything. Then you had blockchain, then you had solar, then you had AI.
I love people.
Robotics, breakthroughs in neuroscience. We have never seen this before in the history of mankind.
94% of car accidents are due to driver error. So in 10 years' time, when the only new car you can buy is an autonomous vehicle, an AV, think about the 40,000 lives in North America, US and Canada, that will be saved every year.
When you talk about the future of humanity, who controls it? Because the ethics and morality of China versus the US versus Canada versus the Middle East are radically different.
Killer drones. There are no guidelines, let alone rules, no international treaties governing anything to do with artificial intelligence. Will it be at some point the machines that decide who should live and who should die?
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.